What's going on, everyone? So leverage is an important aspect in business. It allows you to borrow money and use it to make even more money. People would do this in the past with grain and corn and that sort of thing so that they could borrow money from the government to build their crops, sell those futures of their harvest to the government or to other people to pay back their loan. And so that gets us into today, which, well, not really today, but I would say if you were to date back, say, pre-1980s, leverage was used for centuries for commerce and trade. Like I said, in finance, it involves borrowing money to increase potential returns on investment. So if that's a business, that, whatever. And that leads us to the 2008 financial crisis, where people were writing bad loans and creating insane amounts of leverage, where they would get 100% of the house finance, even 120% of the house finance, meaning they would purchase the house, but they would actually get money back, cash, because they knew that the house would appreciate and they could just leverage, and that bubble burst, leading to massive losses in the housing market and stocks and businesses, and everything. And so when you're trading on a platform, you need to understand your leverage and make sure that you're using leverage correctly, because you can make some massive gains by, say, investing $100 and using that to have a position of over $10,000 with a 100x leverage. Leveraging amplifies both gains and losses, so it is important to understand the size of your trade and how much leverage and exposure you actually have. A perfect example in the recent times of leverage positions and how people made a lot of money and people lost a lot of money is GameStop. The short sellers lost almost $1 billion on Monday in monster rally, when GameStop hedge funds marked losses of $838 million in GameStop because of short squeezes, and they had leverage positions. So in doing so, they are losing quite a bit of money.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is risky. Do your own research.
The movie Dumb Money goes over this exactly, on how the whole GameStop and hedge fund battle went back and forth. It's actually a great entertaining movie, so you definitely want to check that out. Personally, I am dumb money, so I would rather copy trade someone, and that's why I use PrimeXBT. They have all sorts of different products that you can do with CFDs, forex, crypto futures, and copy trading. So copy trading has some great top traders. You can see that the top traders are making quite a bit. Just today, 6% total profit, almost 1,000%. We can look at some of these other traders: 184%, 177%, 403%, 46%. So quite a bit. I mean, typical markets, if we look at the returns, typical S&P 500 year, you can see that the annual return yearly is usually 10.7. Today, or this year, 24%, which is insane. But if we look here, 455%, 333%, quite the difference compared to other traditional markets, 117. So you are working with the best. You can see the total profits here: 863, 733, 633. So quite the team that you can follow, and you can see how many followers they have. This person, 269 followers with 469% gains. So massive gains that way you don't have to get wrecked by leverage. Anyways, understand leverage and know the difference between your lot sizes, between 10x leverage, 30x, 100x, and how that volatility could waste your position or give you massive gains. So definitely check out PrimeXBT and understand that you can make some insane gains with leverage, but be warned that you can also get some sustainable losses. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.